And I started off my first brain now. Okay, guys. Hi guys, welcome back. And I started off my first brain. I will put my username down in the bio. Yeah, guys, in my Roblox username. Yeah, guys. Let's start buying a new brain. Yeah, guys, I'm back. Oh no, my push is open. Guys, I will do like all like videos of Fortnite and videos of Roblox. Yeah, yeah, guys. Oh, let's try to steal some arenas at the base. First base open. I have to steal them. Oh, I feel so bad. I'm not gonna steal this arena. Net, I need. Guys, I am kind, but I need to steal arenas.